Hello everyone, my name is Jake. You probably know what this video is going to be if you follow my channel. Silver passed away. He died about 30 minutes to an hour ago. And it was a long, painful death. And I know he suffered every minute of it. And it was the worst thing I've ever watched in my entire life. But I felt like I needed to be there with him when he died, because I know he loved me. I stayed up with him last night. My mom did too. And, he's having trouble breathing all night, but I was able to give him some water. And he even got up and walked around a little bit, and he crawled into my lap one last time. He couldn't see because his eyes was dilated, and they were like gigantic bug eyes. But he climbed in my lap one last time, and he peed on me. Something that he used to do as a baby. And in a way, it was almost like he was a baby again. He acted very similar to how he did when he was first born, when all he could do was just crawl. But listening to his gagging noises while he was suffocating, and his heart was pounding, I was seeing his heart pounding in his neck, and it was just irregular. And all of a sudden, he just had one final, really painful thing, and his back expanded, and his heart stopped, and he just spit out a pile of blood. Forgive me if this is graphic, if anybody's in the room, but trust me, it was. And I knew he was gone. And his pulse lasted a little bit longer, and then it went out. And I lifted him up, and his whole body went down. He was dead. I'll never forget that cat. I remember when he was born, it was just in August. I was in there petting the other 5 cats of the first litter, and I heard this little noise, and I thought, what is that? And I went back there and looked, and my cat had a baby, and it was Silver. And then she had Copper. This is the twin brother. This is the twin. He was on the porch listening to his brother dying the whole time. And he even looked in the box to see him. And he's gone. And I know he wanted to live. I know he did. He tried to fight it with everything in him. And I prayed and I prayed and I prayed he'd live. I had all you guys praying for him, but he didn't make it. Say hello to everybody, Copper. Between today and yesterday has been officially the worst day I think I've ever had in my life. I'm beyond anxious, and but I'm going to upload some video. I'm going to upload a video later on of some of the moments of Silver in my videos, to remember him by. And I'm going to have to bury him later on. And after that, I guess I got to move on. I got to take care of the other cats. I can't just let them go because And I've had a lot of people writing me lately wanting to argue about different things on my YouTube channel, and I'll just say this. If anybody wants to write me and argue with me, you're going to have to wait a week or two. All right, give me some space to grieve about this. You can tell me off and condemn me to hell later. You know, I've got personal issues right now, and I don't want to be on here arguing with somebody over something. So, anyway, I do ask for you to keep me and my family in prayer, and the other kittens. And I told Silver I loved him, so I know he knew. God bless.